Hey everybody, Chris Young, Gander RV and Outdoors here, standing inside the 2020 Coleman Lantern LT 18RB. This rear bath travel trailer, about 21 feet long, is perfect for the couple that's looking for just something basic, inexpensive, or for somebody that's looking for a trailer they can go set up as a hunting cabin because all they need is a place to sleep and get cleaned up while they hunt. This little short beauty makes it happen. We're actually going to start in the bathroom. I was standing in the living room / kitchen, but I wanted you to see this. Look at the size and space that we have here in this no slide rear bath travel trailer. You got those shaker style wood cabinets with the brushed nickel handles, giving you plenty of storage room up here. Lots of countertop space, which I assume would probably be used for some of the gear that you would be using for hunting and fishing and whatnot, because you don't have a ton of storage inside this unit, but this countertop space makes up for it. Got a power port here, deep well single basin sink, but you could easily store some extra stuff over there. We move over to the low profile single surround tub, and this is where you're going to realize that you're in an 18RB. Not a lot of room, but once again, if you're just looking to get up off the ground, get that camping experience in as I knock my giant head on the roof, this is the camper for you. But you still have, got the spray nozzle there, and you got the shower ports, the hand cranked vent right there. Even have a little hanger right here, so if you want to put your towel, your robe, your backpacks, whatever, that's a great spot for grab and go as well. Coming back into the living and kitchen area, got a 7 cubic foot Norcold fridge, which runs on gas and electric, does have the automatic switch, giving you plenty of space and room for those drinks, those meals. Got the booth dinette, which does have storage underneath on both sides. And this also does convert down into a bed. I don't doubt very seriously you could get 2 adults on here, but you could probably squeeze them in. But this is a great place to kind of just reconnect. If you were doing the couples camper, this is perfect, man. If you guys went out fishing, hunting, whatever, come back, talk about what you got, make the meal, prep it, cook it, eat it here. Enjoy the campsite's mini bay window. Got an LED light here. Got the TV mount behind me along with the port and the cable connection. And more storage up top. This would be a good spot for some of those pantry items, some of your fishing tackle, hunting gear, this, that, and the other thing. Got the Boss system, AM, FM stereo right here with dual zone controls outside. Over on the kitchen, you get a little bit of prep counter space right here, single basin sink. You do not have the high-rise faucet, but once again, small, lightweight. But you do have dual USB charging ports and a power port here. Even though we want you to get out and reconnect and just go, you still might need to charge your cell phone. Got the microwave here, 2-burner stove, more storage down beneath here, both with the solid wood drawers on the ball bearing, full extensions, and some storage right there. Plus you got a little mini spice rack with the raised lip, another storage compartment here on these solid wood shaker style cabinets. We move over to the master, and you're going to see got the large storage unit and access to the pass-through storage underneath the master bed right here. So this could absolutely be a great option for a hunting cabin. I know my uncle actually bought a 21-footer much like this to just set up on some land as a hunting cabin. You got mirrored ward storage on both sides. Got the shelf over here with the LED light both underneath and up top for reading. And you got the power ports on both sides of the nightstands here, just in case you need it. CPAP machine, reading light, so forth and so on. Got your mini control panel over here, letting you know how everything looks as far as battery, the water tanks, all that good stuff, and your awning control. Got a 13,500 BTU air conditioner right here with quick cool. In the summertime, that's really going to help out. But if you've been looking for that lightweight, economical, small travel trailer, you don't need a whole lot, don't want the amenities from home, just need a place to sleep and something to cover me in case the weather gets bad, this 18RB could be a fantastic option for you. So what do you say we go check out the outside? Okay, here we are on the outside, the 2020 Coleman Lantern LT 18RB. Small, lightweight, all you need if you just need something to get up and go. Got a 20-pound LP tank up front, hand crank, Got the diamond plated rock guard. The stick and tin style trailer is what this is. So you're going to see the aluminum exterior all the way around. You still got that R7 foam core insulation. If you do have solar panels, there's your quick connect port right there. Not pass-through storage, but large and finished off storage. This is a great spot for fishing rods. You got the rifle cases, or you got the beach chairs, tables, towels. That's going to be a good spot for that. Got the little plastic lips right here, and they are anti-slam. But how about on a small travel trailer, you got powered leveling jacks on the front and the rear. That's pretty darn nifty. Still got a 10-foot awning with the LED light strip underneath. Got the fold-up stairs, 28-inch opening for the entry. Solid mounted handle right there. If you did want to set up something outside, boombox, charge your cell phone or whatever, you got your power ports right there. Tinted, sealed safety glass all the way around this camper. Rear stabilizer jack once again. Got your 4x4 sewer hose storage, spare tire, which is a nice feature on a small, lightweight camper. And they do have the arched roof so that the elements will stay off of the camper and not on you. Come around to the off-camp side. Here's your dump station, gray tank and black tank. Got the back of your furnace right there, back of the fridge right here. Come around, freshwater connection, city water connection, and the most important thing with any travel trailer, the info panel. This is where the rubber meets the road, literally. How much does this vehicle weigh? Unloaded, we're looking at 3,300 pounds. Gross vehicle weight, 3,800 pounds. So lightweight and easy to use. You just got to ask your RV specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors, what does that mean? Here's what my vehicle can tow. That's where they're going to be able to help you find the RV of your dreams. So leave me some comments down below and let me know, what did you think of this 2020 Coleman Lantern LT 18RB? Is this one that you could see yourself using? Is it a great couples camper, getaway camper? What'd you like? What didn't you like? Love hearing from you. And as always, please like and subscribe. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you soon. And hey, come check out a camper. I'll see you.